there's going to be a video on how to take apart the Xbox. My friend's the camera guy now. But, yeah, mine's already kind of taken apart, so I'm just going to show you what to do. But first, you take off the faceplate. It kind of snaps off. This side snaps off cleanly. You just kind of pull it off. Take off the hard drive. And I have a little opening tool to help me with this part. These clamps are kind of hard to get. Just kind of poke them. They're in these holes somewhere. Just kind of pop it off too. It's not as easy. Where'd it go? There it is. There we go. Now you're down to this. You lift up all of these little clamps. They're kind of hard, so this may take a little bit. One left. Damn. Damn. You know what, screw it, I'm using my tool. Yes, I'm a ghetto person, so don't judge me. There we go. Alright, once you got all 4 of them done, there's going to be 7 pins on the back. 2 here, 4 here, and 1 here. With the tool, you know, there's already holes and poker things already in it. But you can use like small scissors and just kind of poke them. Be sure you're holding the Xbox open while you're doing this. You should hear them pop. And I'm just gonna do this. It's a lot faster. Damn. I can't seem to get one. Where'd it go? Can't seem to get it for some reason.
Push harder.
Popped. There we go. Now, once you get here, the bottom piece will actually come off. The top piece has a little metal part somewhere. I don't know what I did with it. But it's going to look kind of like this. And there's going to be, I believe, 6 screws. You're going to need a size T10 screwdriver. There's going to be one here, 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 and here. And once you have that done, you can just kind of slide it off. I'm just going to do it like this. And I have another one of these DVD drives somewhere. I'm going to see if I can find it. Yeah, here it is. This is what it's going to look like pretty much. It may not look exactly like this, but there's going to be a sticker on here, and like, yeah, you turn it upside down, there's going to be 4 screws. You just take them off and it should slide right off. You can see your game and all the innards like this. And this piece right here should be under your sticker and mine on this drive is right here. You just kind of twist that, and there's going to be a black piece like that on the opposite side of this, and you just kind of twist them, and they'll just come right apart. Twist them back, and then you're ready to hot swap games.